Well, if you want to start selling on Etsy and be successful, never go so broad, right? You know that jewelry, for example, is very popular and people give jewelry as a gift. So this is one of the greatest niches on Etsy. But if you go so broad and generic, it's really hard to get your first sale and to be really successful without spending so much money into ads. I will show you today a really great niche that you can start your business on Etsy right now, and for Christmas your shop will be crushing like crazy. So this niche is about Zodiac. Everything that is connected to Zodiac and all these personalized accessories. Okay, so first of all, of course, we are going to look at jewelry. First of all, if you go on Etsy and using EverBee, this is the app that I'm showing you right now, you already can have an idea that there is quite a big demand for everything that is connected with Zodiac. And if we look at Zodiac pendant, for example, okay, so this particular keyword is being really popular. So let's have a look what we can sell here and what is popular. Well, look at this Zodiac necklace. It's nice, right? And the price is good, so it's not cheap. It's not 10 euros or 15 euros, so it's big. We have many other things here, and we can have a look at items that are bestsellers in the shops. But I want to search for the necklace especially. And you see, so we have different searches for necklace with birthstone. This is also a great topic. And, many items, you see, almost all of them are bestsellers in the shops, right? So this one with the birthstone, this one just the Zodiac sign. This is the three of them together, so they created something. And everything here sells. So basically, if we look into this particular product, it's a necklace with a Zodiac sign. Using product analysis on this page, we can see what products really sell, and then just look for the same product on AliExpress in China and just, start selling the same, right? And here in EverBee, it shows even the trend, right? So it's 100% up. This one, 200% up. So we are on the right path, right? And here, if we look at the data, so we can see more keywords that are being search, like constellation gift, right? Family Zodiac, horoscope necklace. Wow. And every search has a lot of demand. So you can go narrow into each of them and just grab your sales. And to start selling this product, it's just easy, right? So you click on this image and you press search on AliExpress just for the beginning if you want to find the same necklace, and it can show you what exactly, right, you can find on AliExpress something the same. So, and for example, right, so here we are, right? So this is with zircon, this particular, it looks the same, right? So I'm not logged into my account, so the price is a bit bigger, but it's very doable, right? So it's not, and every sign has, they have, everything with, these signs. Well, these images are bad, but anyway, we cannot use images from AliExpress. Either you buy, take a photo, or find better images, right? So, and here we are, we have the product to sell. Also, you see here I have 1688 app is installed, so I can immediately look at it on 1688 and ask my Chinese agent to source them for me. Okay, so this particular product is doing really great now, and I'm recording this video in the middle of July. So can you imagine how it is going to sell for Christmas, right? For New Year gift. So everything will be just great. And this is, just one of the products. With the birthstone, it's another thing that you can add to your product. You can combine, even if you find these two products separately, you can easily find them. In one shop you can find birthstones, and another shop you can find the Zodiac sign necklace, and your agent can connect them together in one parcel, and here we have the product. And be creative. Honestly, don't just take what you have on AliExpress or it already exists in China. So look how creative it is here. So they have the Zodiac sign, they have the birthstone, and they have the first initial. And this is customizable product. This is very pro Etsy product. And if you're doing drop shipping, nobody cares because it is very personalized and it can be on Etsy. So you choose here, your sign, you choose your month, and you write your initial, and then you order, and they send you, this particular product. And people are great, happy, right? And this is so easy. You can find all these items separately and ask your agent to put them together, and you have a great business. Let's have a look how it sells right now, and it's July. Well, it has only 3 sales right now, but they definitely should look at SEO and maybe invest in some more, invest into images, because this image is not quite selling. Okay, but anyway, yeah, so it's better to take a picture on a person, not like that. So this is cool, absolutely cool. So let's have a look at this one that made like 200% more sales than, it just, started selling much more. And let's have a look. You see what we have here. Right, so 20 sales per month, but because the price is great, 40 euros, and it's not like real gold, yeah, so it's still yellow gold materials, right? So let's have a look what they have here is a material, right? So they say it's all handmade. Oh, it's silver. Okay, so but anyway, sourcing this product, it cannot be more than 10 euros. Okay, so you can find really good sourcing with shipping and do drop shipping and have a big margin with this particular product. So definitely the winner. Of course, if it goes about jewelry, rings, earrings, and look at this bestseller. It's a really cute ring, and this seller knows what to do. You see, they have a bundle. This is what now Etsy allows us to bundle 2 items together to give customers a discount, and they have the price here. So use this, okay? I will make a separate video how to set it up, but this is really cool. If you don't do it, if you don't combine it, you are not getting your sales. Okay, so this particular product is also doing really great, right? So it also sells. And there is a demand. And let's have a look on AliExpress, right? So yeah, we can drop ship this item. Yeah, so we have everything in China, right? And the price is not big. So this is also a great product. Have a look at earrings with zodiac signs, studs. They're going, sell very well. So everything here, and think about personalization, a package, maybe a box, to be attractive to customers. And within this niche, we have so many products. Don't think that this is only jewelry. This product, it's really great. If you are able to make your own Zodiac gift set, let's have a look what it is. So, for example, for particular Zodiac signs, there are special stones, maybe some, you know, accessories, decor accessories. So you can put everything into a box. You can ask your customer, you know, to choose, you know, what sign they are, gift option, you know, what they exactly want, to set the personalized message. And all these items you can source in China. Your Chinese agent can set them all together, or you can buy them and ship from your home. You'll have a very legit business then. So just think about some, you know, small chocolates. You see lipstick, maybe some butter, hair clip, you know, something really nice. Add them together, and some sign on a jar or on a candle, right? And you have a great product that is going to sell really well for Christmas, right? Cocoa lotion. It's very easy to make, and it's not expensive, so you can really sell this. And in terms of some printables and print on demand, this is also a great niche. So you can combine in your shop a lot of items, t-shirts, hoodies, you know, many things with zodiac signs, with a special message. You can, you know, make these designs, so you don't have to hire a designer. So you can use the Playground or any other apps, and just, you know, create your design and make a personalized something, you know, message, and it's gonna work. Just in the same Zodiac shop, it can work. So this is really cool niche, definitely. So I'm telling you, this is really cool. And Zodiac gift itself, it has a lot of searches. So people are searching for Zodiac gifts, and especially for Christmas and for New Year, right? And here, for example, look at this personalized candle, and you can put here a message for, or you can make them you know, beforehand, and have these candles at home for Iris, for different zodiac signs, you know. So you can print it, make it, everything you can find in China, absolutely everything. So you just go to AliExpress, you add Zodiac, and you will see lots of products. So you can get the idea. And customized candle, it's really doable. So when they say here put your logo, but you can ask them to put here anything, right? So you just create a label. It can be personalized with the message. You see, it can be like candles like this, and anything, absolutely anything with the zodiac sign, you can find here and just make it, and it will be a really cool custom product, right? So definitely go for it, and it's doable, right? And it can be connected with different zodiac signs, different you know, scents, and you can start selling. And you can do print on demand different products, right? So for example, it's not about clothes, it can be a pillowcase, it can be a tote bag, anything, because yeah, so all these products, they are in demand, you know, when people want to give a gift, right? So, and so definitely look into this. You can create many designs now with AI, and yeah, make it, you can make it personalized with the name, or with just with the sign. So, and definitely a great niche. And if you need more ideas, subscribe, and I will show you more and more ideas with different shops and how you can start selling. And definitely look into this, right? So this is what I was talking about, right? So this is the Libra, some information, what scent, wildflowers, perfect. So for Christmas, definitely it will sell. And you see here, right? So totes, different totes, just make your research, be creative, don't copy. make something special, because this is what Etsy customers love. They don't want to be given something made like by the factory. So it has to have something interesting in the product. So, and you can do it today very easily with the help of AI. Get ideas on Pinterest and just do it. So good luck selling on Etsy. Don't hesitate to start dropshipping. If you need help, I have a video course how to do dropshipping on Etsy, or if you need a consultation how to boost your sales in your shop. So I'm here for you. You will have my details and how to contact me under this video. So let's sell this Christmas a lot. Good luck.